Hi there, Kendra Tolbert here. I'm a registered dietitian and yoga teacher, and I specialize in fertility and women's health. And today I have a fertility supporting smoothie for you. So I was super hungry this morning and thought I'm going to make myself a smoothie that has tons of fiber and tons of protein and healthy fats. And so I thought I would share that with you. So I'm going to do that right now. So to start, I'm going to add in 2 carrots. Really like to add carrots to my smoothies because they're a little bit sweet. They definitely don't go bad as quickly as other types of vegetables, so I like that about them. Full of antioxidants, full of fiber, and like I said, they're tasty. And then I have, this is frozen mango. I couldn't even remember what it was. This is a cup of frozen mango. A little sweetness. So we've got carbs to keep us energized. And then here I have some butternut squash. You can see that we are going with lots of oranges and yellows today. I always think it's important to get in a variety of colors when it comes to fruits and vegetables because that lets you know that you're getting in a variety of nutrients. And I personally think the most important thing when it comes to fertility and nutrition is that you're eating enough and that you're eating a wide variety of foods. You're letting your body know that this is a land of plenty and that there are plenty of options to support both you and your baby if you happen to get pregnant. So I'm gonna add that in. This is a cup of frozen butternut squash. And then I'm adding in a banana. Love banana. Creaminess, potassium, sweetness. We like sweetness. And then these are hemp seeds. And so I'm adding these in for the fat and the protein and because I like the slightly nutty flavor. So these are great. After that, I'm going to add in this Skyr. It's similar to Greek yogurt in the fact that it's higher in protein. It's also a lot thicker and creamier. I really like Siggi's Skyr, so this is Siggi's, and it is their, I don't know if they call it full fat, but it's 4% fat. Always good, at least in my opinion. And also based on the research that I've looked at, it's better to opt for full fat when you're choosing dairy products. That actually seems to be protective against ovulatory infertility. So I'm a big fan of it. Plus the fat is going to help you absorb all of those beautiful nutrients that we know we just added to our smoothie. Oh, and the fat, of course, is going to keep you satisfied a lot longer. And it's also going to help with blood sugar balance. Super important. And this is something that I'm just now starting to play with. I have not typically added protein powder to my smoothies, but I've been playing with it because I don't always want to make an egg or a sausage, 2 eggs really, to go along with it to make sure that I'm getting in enough protein and so that I'm actually satisfied. So this is 1 scoop of Vital Proteins. I think it's their like unflavored collagen peptide, somebody or other, something like that. Just protein powder. And then half of a small avocado. Not because it has to be small, it's just I happen to have small avocados. Whee! This is fun. Okay, there, get in there. Good job. Okay, and then for some additional antioxidants, I'm adding in 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric. Turmeric? Somebody tell me how you pronounce it because I feel like I hear something different every day. All right, and I had already added in about 1.5 cups of water. And you can use any sort of liquid that you would want to. Pop the top on and blend it. Hi there. So I just want to pop in really quick before we actually pour the smoothie and taste it and just say for this particular smoothie, I would probably only drink about half of this and then have something savory with it. Something savory always helps me feel more satiated. And I know for some people they would be concerned that this might spike their blood sugar based on the amount of fruit that I put in it. And so if you fall into that camp, you might also do the same thing by drinking about half of it and pairing it with something else that is high in protein or even more fiber, all that jazz. All right, now let's go ahead and taste this. Okay, so we are done with that. Going to pour it I really, really like the color. It's this beautiful kind of orangey yellow. Yay. Okay, so I'm going to taste it. Yeah, that's good. All right, if you try it, I hope you like it. Let me know what you think down in the comments below. Bye for now.